Hi. Often I'm asked, why did we call our company Shin Luxury Tours? What does the luxury stand for? And today the common interpretation for luxury is glamorous hotels and nice facilities like the Four Seasons and so on, with beautiful views to a desert or oceans or nice mountains. For us, that's obvious. It's obvious we're gonna send clients to the best hotels exist in Israel and put them only in the highest categories that overlook the beautiful view. For example, here, the SETAI Sea of Galilee. However, for us, the interpretation of luxury is a personal trip. What we do is we profoundly listen, positioning you, the client, as the hero of your story, and accordingly, with our experience, we'll create a one-of-a-kind, tailor-made Israel experience that you will cherish for life. Let's go look at the pool. Come with me. So we're here at SETAI Sea of Galilee, which is a beautiful hotel. On one hand, you have the Golan Heights. On the other hand, you have the Sea of Galilee. And really, it feels like a luxury facilities in the middle of the nature. You even have a beautiful infinity pool. You see it's closed now because it's winter and raining here, but really Israel has 300 sunny days a year, so it's pretty much nice all year round.